Now, let us now find solution to this problem. Remember, this problem has rules that you need to follow, rules of angles that you need to abide by. And in talking about those rules, when you have an angle of this kind, if here is A, here also will be A. And what does the rule say? Vertical opposite angles are equal. That can be applied here. This angle is vertically opposite, so it's equal. That means y will be equal to 30. Okay. Secondly, there is another rule that says when you have a parallel line, okay, which this line is a parallel line, and then you have a transversal line, okay, that cuts through the parallel line. Now, if you have here as 30, which we have here, here also will be 30 corresponding angles. So we can apply that here as 30 degrees. Are you there? Now, coming back to this, when you have a triangle of this kind, this shows that these two sides of this triangle are equal, which shows an isosceles triangle. Now, if you are given an isosceles triangle, the law says the base angle of that isosceles triangle are equal as well. So meaning, if this place is 30 degrees, here also will be 30 degrees, which is base angle of an isosceles triangle are equal, okay? Now, if you've gotten that, we've gotten what y is, and we've gotten the base angle of this isosceles triangle. It's left for us now to get x. And how do we get x? We have to sum all the angles in this triangle. And what does the law say? It says the sum of angle in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So we have 30 plus x equals to 180 degrees, right? Now we have to subtract minus 60 from here, right? So that we eliminate this 60. So here is automatically 0. Then we are left with x equals to 180 minus 60, you have 120. So what it means is that this x here is equals to 120, such that if you sum up 120 plus 30, that is 150, plus 30, that is 180, which gives us that rule. The total sum of angle in a triangle is equals to 180. But the question says you should find the product of x and y. You have to multiply x and y. And now if you know that y is 30 and then times x is 120. So if you find the product of 30 and 120, then you have automatically gotten what xy is. So if you do that, we can say 120 plus 30. This gives us 0, 0, 0. This gives us 0. This is 6, and then this is 3. Then we have 0, 0, 6, 6, 3. So the product of x and y, which they ask us to find x and y, or xy is equals to 3600. Is that okay? So that is just the simple thing they ask us to do here. Remember, once you begin from here, just know what to apply and the rule to apply, and everything becomes easy. Okay? Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, this page, wherever you are watching it from, please just press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and then see you in our next lesson. Bye.